First, we remove the bolts holding on the factory tire carrier using a 13mm socket. The step prior to this from the instructions is to take off the cover inside and disconnect the wire. But you don't actually have to remove the wire, because all you gotta do is hold the carrier out over here until you've installed the new bracket. So we've reinstalled the hardware in the new plate. Now we're going to tighten it up using that same 13mm socket. Some of you may have also noticed that we have a Terraflex dual antenna bracket that mounts to the right side hinges there. That has currently been used for us for a flag, but it can also be used for a CB or GMRS radio antenna. It's very easy to install, and I highly recommend it, as well as the Tusk quick release for the flag. The primary reason for us doing this was to eliminate the backup sensor errors that we were getting intermittently that was driving us crazy and making the sensors pretty much unreliable. That has addressed that. In addition, we needed to get some additional clearance for our trailer hitch when we pull our small utility trailer. This seems to be fixing both of those problems for us. Overall, a pretty easy installation, and we'll see how it goes as far as durability. Thanks for watching.